Welcome! I am so glad that you are with me today as I unpackage some mail that I've gotten, some fun mail. Don't we all like getting fun mail? I do. And for Maniology, we have stickers. Oh, they're so retro. I love that girl's dress. Now on to, they gave me a scratch off thing as a coupon. This is an unboxing from some items that I had gotten, some fall plates that I really liked and enjoyed when I saw them. I was like, I need more fall stuff. I love fall. I love harvest. I love pumpkins and corn. And this one had some plaid on it that I like. And the other one had deer that you can stamp over, like there's the background of the deer and then you can do the outline there on top, so it's like a layered stamping plate, and I really like that a lot, that Maniology has come out with layered stamping plates. And then I saw these stamping polishes, and they're just so beautiful. Doom and Gloom are these ones, and that orange is Doom and the purple is Gloom, and they stamp beautifully. And these ones, I shall see if I even got, I think one is Frost and the other one is Sugarplum, and those ones stamp beautifully also. They are gorgeous. I did the Frost over the Doom over the orange, and it turned out gorgeous. I love it. And then this one is like a 3-set stamping polish. I had my scissors ready and using my non-painted fingernails. Oh my goodness, I just haven't had a lot of time to do my nails. This is a harvest collection, it seems like. This one is Cocoa, that one is Nutmeg, and that one is Caramel. And they all stamp really pretty. I had the orange one in the middle. I think I had doubles of it. I got 2. I liked it so much that like lighter burnt orange one. And so these are the sets that I had gotten and I ordered myself. Not sponsored video. All these things I buy with my own money. I do have a 10% off code if you want to use it, and I'll put that here. It's a TheShabbyRose 10, I believe, and then the Mani and Me box came in. Yes, I buy this one also with my own money, and I loved this month's. I see what each month is going to be, whether I like it or not. On Maniology, they do give you a sneak peek of what you're buying in your box, but they always give you a surprise that you're not expecting. And this time it was the pineapple candy. Oh, that was delicious. Oh, I was really excited because I had never received a pineapple candy before. And this is Autumn Memories, Fall Colors, and Snuggle Up. You can pause that and read that. Maple Orchard Manicure. It's alright, I guess. And they show you how to do reverse stamping on that. And I love reverse stamping. I love coloring in pictures. Always loved coloring in, so whenever Maniology introduced me to reverse stamping and being able to color in images, I was like, what? You can color in your pictures that you stamp? That was like the greatest idea ever. So here are some more polishes that came with this set. Let me see if I can read the bottom of them. It's a very bright yellow, and this one, nope, can't read it, but it comes in this box. You can get this box until the 28th, and I know I'm late with this video. Sorry about the glare, but I will put in the box below the polishes and the plates that I have here, and it is just beautiful stamping polishes. These autumn plates, I love how you can layer the scarecrow And the pumpkin up there in the left hand corner and the foliage around there is like my favorite image on the plate, up there in the left hand corner. And it's just beautiful. The sayings on it, each plate is etched beautifully. They stamp beautifully. Maniology always does a good job in their images. And then they have the little truck with the pumpkins. I love the retro truck. I have the retro truck, the little red truck, little gray truck, little blue truck, all the little trucks I just love. Oh, and up in the right hand corner, the writing, that is beautiful too. And peeling back the blue, you have to take the protective blue off or else your images will not stamp. Take that off and then you are ready to stamp on these plates, and they are just full of inspiration. I have even stamped on glass dinnerware glasses, and these stamps beautifully. And I have not used these before, these nail cuticle guards, but I'm excited to try them. So I did not have a chance to do that this time, but they sent 3 sheets. They are not reusable, they're a one-time use, but you can also get the cuticle guard ones that you paint around. I forget what that one's called, but you paint it on it. It's very sticky, but that's really nice. And then I am using a Lantern and Worn stamping scraper here, and I am just getting that ready to scrape, because the Lantern and Worn ones you do have to prepare. And so I am getting out Doom and Gloom, and I am getting ready to get these swatched, and they did a wonderful job. If you watch another YouTuber called Guylene325, she does an awesome job with swatching and nail art. I am still a beginner. I am not an expert. I struggled so much getting inspiration and wondering what to do, and it's not the plate's fault. It's not the stamping polish's fault. It's me. And you'll see when I do my manicure how I just chose the wrong colors to reverse stamp. And it is a technique. You just learn by trial and error. And I love doing it. It takes time to do it, reverse stamping and everything like that. That I struggle with inspiration and time. Usually when I edit my videos, do my videos, it's usually about 1-2 o'clock in the morning. My children are sleeping, my husband's off to work, and I do all my editing at night before my day starts. And then it's like, when do I get time to do this? When do I get time to have my inspiration and my art for myself? And yes, so I got into nail stamping with Maniology. I was introduced to it by Instagram. One of their ads popped up when I was looking at nail art on Instagram, and they had an advertisement for a free manicure box. I was like, really? I usually don't click on links, and I usually don't go to websites. This time I did. And for just the shipping price, coming from Hawaii, of $12 and change, I got a free Maniology kit. It had the stamping polishes, it had the plates, it had the cube stamper in it, and the scraper. I fell in love, and I've been ordering from them for about a year now, and I have had very little complaints, none at all. You know, I don't usually stamp over black that much, black nail polish. Some of the stamps stamp really good over black, some stamp really good over white. And so I look at other YouTubers' reviews on different stamping polishes before I buy, and that has really helped me have a good assortment of ones that stamp over both black and white very well. And I do my research on my stamping polishes for Maniology, so that I know what I'm getting. That one stamps really well. that Sugarplum, oh, I love it, and how it stamps nicely over both. And the Cocoa stamped really good, so I know what I'm getting whenever I do my research on the colors that I want. And so I love how they have good customer service, and with these boxes that you can get as a subscription, you can skip different months if you don't need it, or if you don't really, if it doesn't really, like, that's not my style, or that's not really me, you can skip to the next month, and then that way you're not buying a box that just doesn't fit your personality or style. I love that, and I have skipped different months, and I've just ordered some few plates that are more to my liking off of their website. They have a sale section, I like that. They have stamping polishes that are on sale, plates that are on sale. They have nail powders that you can rub and get a chrome look. They have that also on their website. I like that. That's beautiful. That's stamped very nicely. And so that is the collection of the stamps. They turned out nice. And now is my failed attempt at trying to get a manicure done. I had gotten these ballerina coffin type press-on nails. I love working with press-on nails because I have a nail that splits. And so I try and make my own press-on nail so that that one nail will not split and be painful. Now I should have done the little truck here in white, not black. It stamped beautifully. It really did. After I scraped it, stamped it, turned out nice. These plates stamp so nicely. Very rarely have I don't think I've ever had a plate from Maniology that hasn't stamped well. And what the problem is, I used a dark blue for the truck. I should have used a lighter color. And with the black outline and then the blue, it just turned out so dark. And then I used the bright orange for the pumpkins, so all you could really see is this dark truck with these bright pumpkins on a orange background, and it just didn't quite go well together. I loved spending the time doing this. It was my relaxation to get away from all the things on the news or anything. I just play my music, listen to an audiobook, or watch a Hallmark movie while I do this, and this is my little time for myself, whether or not I'm good at it or not. Now this is sticky base coat that I put over the top, and as I'm placing the truck over this nail, it's like, the image is kind of big. You can get a jelly stamper from Maniology that helps shrink images. I do have that. I haven't tried it. Maybe I can try it on this little truck image and shrink the image down, but as you can see, I'm trying to fix it with a plaid background, and I think I made it worse. I think I did, but it doesn't look too bad, but it's just, yeah. Finally, I just gave up, and I came up with this image right here. It was the best I could do. Thank you for joining me.